Very warm welcome to all of you. In today's video, we are going to discuss about this challenge lab. Analyze pattern conversation data in CX Insight. So in this particular lab, this is a new lab and let me check the date. Here you can see this lab is updated in 19th September 2025. So without wasting time, let's get started. Okay, so here we can see the challenge lab. Let's try to open this challenge lab in incognito mode. Okay, what is the first task? First task is we need to enable uh, CX agents, CX agent insight or contact center API enable. So let's do this task. Here we need to click on I understand, open Cloud Cell, close this navigation bar and agree the terms and condition. Click on agree and continue. Here you need to open Cloud Cell. Either you can use console, search, contact center inside API or CX agent inside API, and you can enable that API also. But as per lab instruction, we need to use clouds command line. So let's follow that one. Here, first of all, you need to authorize your cloud cell. So do that work first. Okay. What is the next task? Enable API. So next task is okay. This task go to bucket and here we need to go. Yeah, this task is successfully completed. Duplicate the entire task and here if you search this entire bucket here okay, here you can close the cloud cell and try to open this cloud bucket. Click on jet 0 as per lab. Here you can see our 20% task is completed. Now we need to go within a bucket, click on output, click on this particular left download tab and which field we need to show. So maybe entity, user, I no categories, text, and another one is okay. We need to check in this after this download the here we can see the download option. It will download entire. Yeah, here we can see start time stem text user id role and entities role text entities start user id and user id. Perfect, we are 100% correct. Now we need to open cx in the studio. Sorry, cx insights. Here cx we need to we have this cloud bucket. We need to import. Here we need to perform bulk import using these credentials. So let me do that one. Here this is nothing but conversation inside dashboard. Here now they change as a CX agent, sorry, CX inside. If you didn't see it, yeah, here you need to select a project. After this thing will be appear. Okay, great. Here import conversation. Here chat, select a chat option. Provide your transcribed URL where I can see the bulk import. Okay, great one. Now, is there any redundant setting? Enable sampling or as a agent ID, provide this one. Let's go there. Is a where, yeah, here agent ID, provide this one. We, okay, we don't need this thing. I hope we are good as of now and just click on import. Okay, great. It will take couple of seconds to reflect it here. Let me go to the next task. Okay, it will take couple of seconds to reflect the conversation inside here. Let me, yeah, here you can see now I can see some insight. What is our next task? In conversation history, we need to, hmm, yeah, in CX inside console conversation history for analysis, select this one and let me go to this one here. Here we have a analyze. So select Control F. This is the exact word and these are all six parameter what we need to select. These are selected. Analyze taken up. Okay, perfect. Okay, we need to select this thing later. Okay, let me first what I try to do. First, this entire 100 transcript is available here. After I do this step, so it won't create any conflict in lab completion part. Okay. So meanwhile, we need to wait couple of seconds to import entire conversation transcript. Okay. So I click on refresh, but still didn't. If I click on this inside here, I can see some transcript and some analysis on this one. Okay. No, no. Yeah. Now we need to click on analyze this one and whatever six we need to select this one. Error performing error highlighted field. Custom highlighter. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Custom highlighter we need to select no. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exactly we need to select this 5 only and let me click on analyze. Okay. Not analyze. Why it's take okay. Let's currently analyze only one transcript. Analysis will take okay analyze. Here we can see entity mention and smart highlight. Entity mention and smart highlight is not checked issue resolved. Let me check here. Yeah, authorize all the things I can see. Authorize info and let me check the process of analyze conversation. Perfect, we completed 40% of our lab. Oh great, this task is also clear. Okay, meanwhile this task is still pending. Load conversation into CX Studio. 60% it should be clear. Perfect. Now let's go to our next task. Let's go to this agent inside console and here we need to select a project and create a one summarize generator with name of fully summary generator and add this thing. Do not add custom scenario. Okay, perfect. Here we need to summarization, get started, select this project. If Dialogflow API is not enabled, do needful and enable this API. If you click enable API and after some times you will refresh this agent inside console, summarize generator, select a generator, provide necessary names. Okay, perfect. This thing we need to select other language. No, I think let's go. back to the our cloud skill boost lab. Which field we need to select? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. No other field we need to select. Click on save. Generator updated. If you click back button, yeah, here we can see the generator. Now let's go back to the lab. Okay, now examine to summarize. Okay, let me go to, now we need to go here. When you click this analyze, here you can see the summarization analysis generator. Select whatever we created in agent insight and analyze this conversation. Perfect. I hope we are good to go. Let's check the process. Meanwhile, it will take few seconds to complete. Okay, we completed 80% of the slab. If every no 70%. Okay, let's go to our next task. In the task, custom highlighter identify the presence. Custom highlight. Create a custom highlighter named issue highlighter. Okay. Okay. So basically here, including, let's go to analyze again here. Custom highlighters. No, 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 no. First, we need to create this custom highlighter in. First, when we try to create a custom highlighter, we need to go here. Conva, conversation highlighter, custom highlighter, create a custom highlighter, provide a necessary name. Okay. So here we need to having the issue, and another word is factory reset. We need to add these two phrases in the custom highlighter, and we need to custom highlighter been created. Good. Now we need to go to our analytics dashboard, conversation hub, analyze. Here if we create a custom highlighter, this option will be appear, and similar way this we need to select and click on analyze. So in this way we need to complete this custom highlighter task. Okay, meanwhile, let's go to our next task. We need to create our new scoreboard. Thoughtful agent. Okay, let's wait couple of seconds to complete about task and try to create this scoreboard. Here we need to go where I can see the scoreboard. Here add scoreboard. Untitled instead of untitled scoreboard. Okay, let me add a question. Here we need, let me go back to, okay, this is nothing but my question. Category is a customer, and this is a nothing but instruction. Yes or no, 1 0. This is a nothing but instruction. This is a nothing but my uh, question is a different question is a this one. Did you यहाँ पे this is a yes no type answer. Yes means 1 and 0 no means 0. Let me click on save and perfect. After calibration here it okay bigger calibration it will take couple of seconds but we need to analyze this conversation again with custom highlighter, summarization and quality AI. Perfect, we are good to go now. And last but not the least, what is our task? This scoreboard, well, I think let me go back here with about previous task. Create a custom highlighter. Meanwhile, let's go to the next task. So in this, what is my? I need to create a data set in BigQuery. Select this data set name. Go back to Google Cloud Console here and search. If you directly click here and here you can find the BigQuery. Here we need to click on three dot, create a data set, define the location, US, we need to select US and create a data set. Now in data set we need to create a one table. So provide this name and create a one table. Here create a table, empty table is okay for as of now and this is a nothing but my table name and create a table as simple as that. Now here next begin calibration and perfect. Calibration will take couple of hours. So let's go here and try to perform sorry conversation hub analyze and provide a custom highlighter, provide a summarization generator and provide a quality AI with select um, required a select yeah thoughtful agent is my if you face this type of error don't worry anything just try to click refresh and good to go. Okay, last note but the least, our task is here you can see the table and each and both the things. Just export one. As of now, we receive only one conversation. So our lab should be clear because in lab we need to complete 80% of the part. But meanwhile, I will try to complete 100% so you guys didn't face any difficulty in future. Here, select custom entity, issue highlighter, summarization generator, quality AI option. Let me remove this one and try to analyze this thing. Okay. Meanwhile, let's check the process. How many percent we completed? Let's run this command also in BigQuery so we can see our transcript is exported or not. Does not have a schema. Okay, okay, perfect. I hope it will create a schema by default. Basically, let's check the process. If not, specify the schema. create an empty table. So we create an empty table. I think it will, we need to wait couple of seconds and it will come. Meanwhile, what I can do is I will try to import more conversation inside. Okay, let me close this thing. Okay, so basically we successfully got a 80% score. So meanwhile, here what the issue in scorecard. So give the necessary name into the challenge lab. When I try to create a scoreboard, this scoreboard name is untitled. So I change that as a thoughtful agent. So it will help to clear this task in quality AI. But yeah, currently I am focusing on this one. Here you can see if you give didn't a proper name, then our lab will be won't clear. So please use as much as do not type anything. Just try to copy paste in this way. You try to complete the more task. Okay. Finally, I got successful custom highlighter. So what setting we need to do as part of custom highlighter? What I do, I change this. So basically, when I try to create a conversation custom highlighter, give a proper name as it is it provided name. So here select any participant and here select or group equal to at least one rule in this group. So yeah, in this way I try to change a couple of setting and completed this task also. So 90% of our lab is completed. Now just 10% is remaining. Okay, so in this BigQuery part, I didn't do nothing, just whatever previous step we do, export BigQuery, select a data set, select a table and click on export. But it our this quick lab will take some little bit time, and here you can see this task is also completed. Now let's go to the BigQuery task and we can see the our 100% lab is completed. Yeah. So yeah, thank you so much. If you have any doubt regarding this particular lab, feel free to ask. Thank you so much and have a great day.